Good morning, class. In the previous class, we have discussed about password. Now, welcome to the online teaching and learning process. Now, today we will discuss how to keep our password so that it will be secure and it will be remain unrestricted by the hackers. Now, in the previous class, we have discussed about the password. I hope that you have now familiar with the term password, and now you are in a position to define the password. What is password? Now, password is a key of code that keeps our informations or data secure. Next, tips for keeping the unguessable password means how you will create a password so that it will be not hacked by the unknown person or hacker. First, keep the length of password 8 character long. It should include the combination of number and symbol. Avoid keeping password based on repetition. Sometimes we generally keep the password 1 2 3 4. We need to avoid such type of the passwords. Never repeat any letter or any number which are in sequence. Use the combination of uppercase and the lowercase character. It means that generally keep such type of the password which have both the combination of small case and the uppercase. Means the capital letter and the small letter, both you need to include in your password. Next, avoid using the password meant for the multiple purposes. Avoid using password for multiple purpose. Sometimes what happens that we generally use the same type of the password for the multiple purpose. It should be avoided. We generally keep such type of the password because we generally forgotten the password. That's why we keep the same type of the password for each and every application, but we need to avoid such type of password. Generally use different types of password for each and every application. Avoid keeping the name of your loved one, relatives and friend as a password. We generally keep the such type of the name as a password to whom we loved very much. That you need to be avoided. Now, example of a strong password. That should be the combination of the alphabets, digits and the special symbol, and it should be at least 8 character long. I hope that you have understand how to create a password. Next, privacy. Privacy in information technology refers to the personal control over own file and document. You need to have your control over your documents and files. That is called as privacy. Next, there are different types of the privacy control over the content on the internet. The three general it has been categorized into three general label. That is the general content, content that can be viewed by anyone, content which are viewed by anyone over the internet, or it can be browsed by any person. Such type of the content are called as general content. Second one is restricted content. Restricted content means confidential content that is meant to be viewed or browsed by only authorized person. Means the such type of the content which are authorized by only for few people, authorized person. Such type of the content which are viewed by authorized person, they are called as restricted content. And partially restricted content, the selected portion of the content, means not whole content. Some of the portion of the content will be accessed by or viewed by authorized person or group of people, is called as partially restricted content. I hope that you have understand. Next, confidentiality of information. Confidentiality refers to keep the data information secret. You need to keep your data information secret, allowing only the authorized person to access the information. Confidentiality in informations means keep your data or information secret and allow only the authorized person to access such type of information. The following data generally comes under the confidentiality category. That is the medical history, date of birth, contact details, income status, itinerary. Itinerary means travel history. travel history. HIS TORY. Itinerary means travel history. Now, celebration photography of family and or friends. These are confidential informations. Belongs to such type of the records. Belongs to confidential data. Next, cyber stalking. It is one of the most important term, and we generally have not used it, but it is one of the important. We are not generally used in general topic, but it is one of the important one term. Now, what is cyber stalking? Cyber stalking refers to the crime. It is one type of the crime over the internet to harass a people with the help of what? That is network. To harass people with the help of network or any electronic gadgets. Cyber stalking refers to the crime of using the internet, email or other type of electronic communications. We generally harass persons. We not actually the person, hackers or any malicious persons, mean the bad people, harass people with the help of electronic devices. It comes under the cyber stalking. Now, what is cyber stalking? I hope that you have understood. Cyber stalking means to harass a people with the help of electronic gadgets over the internet. Cyber stalking means sending of the nasty messages. Abused means that bad type of the words or such type of the messages which are useless is called as abused. Nasty means dirty message. Unethical media having no use, bad videos, and embarrassing pictures. Embarrassing pictures means such type of the pictures after looking at it you will feel bad. Such type of the picture are called as embarrassing pictures. Okay, I hope that you have understand. Thank you. See you later on this online video tutorial in the next video class. Thank you.